Hi, my name's Jonny, Shiell Detailing. I'm a car working professional and I'm down here at AM Autohaus in Slough to show you how to remove topical contamination that's going to affect the vision of your glass. Behind me, I've got a Mercedes E300 and this is in for a pre-sale prep. And one of the things I've noticed is the clarity of the glass has some build-up from chemical staining and some water spotting. So I'm going to show you a few chemicals, a few tools, a few tricks on how to restore this that are going to be fast and easy, which is going to make your glass look absolutely fantastic. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let me bring you in and show you on this vehicle exactly what we're working with. So let's spray a little bit of liquid on here. And let me start to dry this off with a drying towel. And what you're going to see is that horrible, cloudy chemical staining on the vehicle. I'm going to do a little tape line down the middle and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to remove this. So I hope you enjoyed that little 50-50, one side machine polishing, one side panel wiped. There is still some bonded contamination on here, so I do need to machine polish it and obviously get rid of that tape line. I'm now going to go on and complete the rest of the glass, and hopefully you can see exactly how dirty your glass might be the next time you wash your car.